How to transfer money from AstroPay to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to transfer your money from your AstroPay to your bank account. So here, as you can see, that I'm in the official article page in AstroPay, and here it says that how you will be able to withdraw your wallet balance. In order to transfer your money from your AstroPay wallet to your bank account, all you have to do is just select the option called transfer from your home screen in your AstroPay, and in the send money tab, choose to a bank account or to a debit or credit card and select the wallet you want to withdraw the money from. And after that, just enter the withdrawal amount and choose the method from those available in your country, and then just enter all your bank account information. And most importantly, don't forget to review the data provided, as the request cannot be cancelled after submission. And then review the amount to be received and any fees that may be charged, and make sure that you agreeing with the proceeding period, and then click on confirm. So this way you will be able to transfer your money from your AstroPay to your bank account. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.